Hi guys, welcome to the Wei-Hui's video channel. Now, I would like to introduce to you Wei-Hui's new strip light. Cutting-free and welding-free strip light with built-in PIR Motion Sensor. The strip light has been fully technologically upgraded. The lampshade is made of high-quality materials with high transparency and no dark areas. The pluggable blocking switch design is easy to install. Just connect the power interface, and as long as people are within the sensing range, the strip light will light up. When a person leaves the sensing range for about 30 seconds, the light goes out. The strip light can be cut arbitrarily to solve the pain point of customizing the length. And the strip light has no polarity difference. You can connect in both sides. After cutting, no welding is required, and the strip light can still work normally. The light is soft and protects the eyes. It is suitable for local lighting places, such as wine cabinets, wardrobes, and cabinets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can cooperate with you guys in the near future.